Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use array modifier and curve modifier in Blender to make cool and procedural stuff like necklace, like chain, and a bunch of different stuff. So yeah, let's do something. Let me first open my model. Yeah, let's say I want to make kind of cool bracelet for this beautiful anime girl. Shift A, mesh, UV sphere, scale it down a little bit. Again, Shift A, curve, and I want circle, but you can use any curve that you want. Select the ball and add array modifier and add curve modifier, and under curve modifier we need to select the curve, and our balls jump right on the curve, and here under the factor x relative offset we can check the distance between our balls, and we need just to increase the count of the balls. Yeah, and yeah, I can select both of them and scale them down. And now if I want to change the shape of it, I just pick my Bezier circle and go to edit mode. I can just move it like this, but of course when the shape is changed, we need to probably add more, so we can add a couple and maybe one, and add offset a little bit, and it looks like this. And let's bring back our model. Oh, it's still too huge, so I'll select both of them and scale it a little bit down, and maybe a little bit more. And what I will do, GY and GZ, rotate in the y-axis again, and GX and GY and GZ and GY again, and scale it a little bit, and GZ again. Yeah, and it's cool. Again, if I want to modify the curve again, curve shape, select the Bezier circle, tap edit, and we can move it. Or I can select both of them, and if I want to add one more point here, under segments subdivide, and I have one more here, and I can move it a little bit like this, rotate it and move it. I like to move it. Yeah. Yes, I like to move it. Yeah, and we got our dynamically looking bracelet. So yeah, I find this method very cool. To be honest, I'm a very new user to Blender, but I really like the sculpting tools in Blender, and what I like most is that Blender is like a one-stop shop. You can sculpt in Blender, you can easily make hard surface sinks in Blender, you can UV unwrap, you can retopologize, you can do everything you want, and you can do what is more important, rendering in Blender as well, so you don't have to shift between programs. And that actually I was thinking about it a lot. So I was thinking what to do, like I don't want to switch between softwares too much because it's wasting time. We're getting a lot of technical issues. Yeah, and I find that Blender is very handy, and what is also most importantly is that Blender is open source and you don't have to pay for it, and that's really cool. Alright, so enough lyrics. Hope you enjoyed this small tutorial. Yeah, and bye bye, and see you in the next tutorials. Bye.